We are going to compare text today using the fable The Grasshopper and the Ant. This is found on page 260 in your student book. This is a fable, and a fable is a short story where a character, usually an animal, that behaves like a person, learns a lesson. The text focus is story message. The story message of a fable is a lesson that the characters learn. In fables, the message is often stated directly as a moral at the end of the story. A moral at the end of The Grasshopper and the Ant. The moral is a lesson that the story teaches. So I want you to pause the video, start on page 260, it runs through 262, and read the Grasshopper and the Ant and come back to the video when you're finished. Now that you've read The Grasshopper and the Ant, which character was teaching a lesson to the other? What was the lesson? Which details in this fable show how Ant taught this lesson? Here's the moral. There are times to work and times to play. This is what the lesson was. Now turn to page 263, or look at page 263. You're going to choose one of these connections. You can do text to text and compare grasshoppers. You can do text to self and do grasshopper or ant. Are you more like the grasshopper or the ant would be what you're looking at. Text to world is you're going to reread our story Two Bear Cubs from lesson 19. And then how was that like the moral of the grasshopper and the ant? How is it different? All right, so that's text to world. You're going to choose one of these three and work on it with your learning adults. If you have to write, just write on a lined piece of paper or your composition notebook and have fun with it.